Okay, here we are at Dave & Buster's in Frisco, Texas at a Stonebriar Mall. They only have 2 machines here, but this is one of the machines that I'm going to be working on as far as getting tickets. I've already won a couple just to kind of test it out. Obviously, you can see the tickets there. It's only about 1,000 tickets. Only had a couple tries. But I'm going to go ahead and do it now to see exactly how it works. Again, we're going to break it down one more time of how it works. You're going to see the squares. You're going to see the suitcase. It's going to be 16 cases. It's going to be 4, 4, 4, 4. That's how I break it down. And then after that, what you're going to do is going to shift 3 times in the beginning. 1, 2, 3, wherever it's at. And then it shuffles. Once it starts shuffling, that's where it becomes tricky. You're going to use your peripherals to actually follow the cases. So you're not actually looking at the case directly. You're actually looking on using your peripherals to actually follow the case. So I'm going to demonstrate that here as an updated video to keep trying this. So here we go. And it's going to show you where the case is at. So here we are. It's going to show you where 500's at. There's 500 right there at the bottom. It's going to shift to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now it shuffles. So now I know that it's going to be case number 14. So at that time I'm going to pick 14. Obviously, there's 14. Boom. And I followed it pretty down to the T. So I already know I can pick whatever I want. So I can just fast track through this. As you can see. Alright, always push no deal. Now, never touch that button. There's that. And again, just slide through it because we already know we have 500. So there's no point of waiting to see what the banker's going to offer you because he's obviously going to offer you less than what it is. So here we go again. Keep going, keep going. Once again, no deal. Now I'm down to 2. It's going to offer me 230 or 280 or yeah, 290. No deal. No deal. So it's either going to be 80 or 500, but I already know I have 500. So boom, there it is, right there. So yes, you can. If you follow the cases, it will automatically be correct. That is the updated video. Hopefully it helps you out.